Let me ask you a question. Are you trying to make money online? Are you trying to make a successful business out here on the internet, all from the comfort of your home? If you answer yes to that question, please allow me to introduce Quack Builder University, the only place that teach you how to actually make money online, all from the comfort of your home. Quack Builder University have everything you could possibly need to make a successful internet business. We have everything in the members area, a private members area, that you need to start generating passive income. We have step-by-step video you can follow now and start to see result in your online business. What if I told you that the tools that you're using to try to generate income online is outdated? That's why you're not making any money at all. But what if I can give you all the tools that we use to generate income online? Wouldn't that be great? I bet that would be 100% better for you to take the shortcut that proven to success. You can follow our footprint step by step. We teach you how to start make money on the internet. We teach you everything you need to know in the private members area, how to generate passive income online. I want to tell you that Quack Builder University is made and designed for you to become successful. We keep adding videos in the members area every month. So every month you will learn something new that you can take action and implement in your online business. We teach you step by step of what you need to do to start generating passive income online. And we also show you the newest ways that you can do right now, you can use to make income online. If you don't take action, you can never ever see result in your online business. So if you want to start generating passive income online, we can teach you that in the Quack Builder University, step by step. And the first action that we need you to take for a more successful business online is to click the button below and get your membership today. Can't put nothing to me funny. It coulda rain or it coulda sunny. Me a talk this from me heart, for everybody hear me. Hungry wally part time, me happy be here. 11 of us, mommy have and she love and she care we. Anything we get together we share it. Yo, it no easy when you're deep on the road. Yeah, mommy, me know it no easy when your people play the role. Yeah, them talk about got things when me never yet heard. Me say, but before me gone, mommy, bet me make you proud. Yeah, remember say you down in the ghetto we come from. Happy walk miles, we catch water, we pull up the jump and we never bad. My mommy and also your son done, but now them see we rise and them no know where we come from.